Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Robinhood debit card step by step clearly. First, make sure your Robinhood debit card has arrived and the envelope is sealed and untampered. Next, prepare your phone and ensure you have a stable internet connection via Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then, update the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play so you are using the latest version. Now, open the Robinhood app and log in with your correct username and password. If prompted, complete two-factor authentication using your code or approval method. After that, tap the account icon to access your account and settings area. Look for the cash or spending section, which is where card options are usually located. Tap Robinhood Cash Card or Debit Card to open the card management page. If you do not see it, use the search bar in the app and type Cash Card or Debit Card. On the card page, tap the option that says Activate Card or Set up your card. When asked, allow the app to use your camera if you want to scan the card quickly. If scanning is available, point your camera at the card and wait for the app to capture the details. If scanning does not work, choose Enter manually to type the required card information. Carefully enter the card number exactly as it appears on the front of the card. Enter the expiration date and any additional details the app requests. If the app asks for the CVV, find it on the back of the card and type it carefully. Double-check every digit before continuing to avoid activation errors. Tap Continue or Next to submit the card details for activation. Wait a few seconds while the app connects to Robinhood's servers and processes your request. If you receive an error, confirm your internet connection and try again from the activation screen. If you are asked to verify your identity, follow the prompts and confirm your personal information. Once the card shows as active, go to Card Settings to set up security options. Create or confirm your card PIN if that option appears, and choose a number you can remember. Turn on transaction alerts or notifications so you can monitor purchases in real time. If available, enable or review lock card, spending limits, and ATM withdrawal controls. Add your billing address if prompted, because some merchants require it for verification. Make a small test purchase or check the card status in the app to confirm it is working. If activation still fails, use the in-app help or support section and contact Robinhood support with the exact error message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.